guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I want to share a product with you that was sent to me by the Milano collection company. They sent me their Scalp Illusion Kit. The Scalp Illusion Kit is designed to help you make the part in your lace wigs look natural, more natural. Yeah, so they sent it out to me. I've already been using it, guys, and I really do like it. So I'm going to share it with you. It's called Milano Scalp Illusion Kit, and this is what the main product looks like. They said this is a special cream formulation concealer type product. It's not really a concealer, like you can't use it on your face. I guess you could, but you shouldn't because it's for your lace wig. And it comes with a spoolie brush. Let me take that out so you can see that. So it comes with a dual-ended brush, slanted brush here, and then the spoolie right there, and that sits right in this little place right here. And then here are the colors to the kit. And this kit is called the Dark to Light palette. So that's what this is. And this is the darkest shade right here. And I've actually blended these two shades to create a natural looking part line. But let me tell you what comes with the kit. So the kit comes with this Dark to Light palette along with the spoolie that's inside there. And it comes with another set of the Hairline brushes. So this, I call this a spoolie and a dual-ended brush. This is actually what they're calling their Hairline brush. And you get another 2-pack, so you get that in the kit. You also, in the kit, you get a comb. I didn't use it, but I did take it out to look at it. And yeah, so they get this comb. Also, you get a wig grip, the lace wig grip. And I did a video on that a couple of weeks ago, maybe a few weeks ago, guys. So I'll definitely link it in the cards above so you can check it out. I absolutely love it. This is what that looks like. This is for your lace wig so that you can have a better looking, realistic looking part. So along with all these products and the Scalp Illusion palette, you should be able to achieve that. I already did today. I have on the lace wig grip that was sent to me a few weeks ago. So I'm wearing that today under this wig. I'm going to run through everything that you get with the kit again. I did a separate video on that. And then I'm going to come back and kind of show you. I want to touch up my area right here. Okay, guys, so this is what the kit looks like. It comes bundled like this. And you get your Scalp Illusion Kit. That's the light to dark palette. You also get a lace wig grip. You get one carbon anti-static comb. You get the spoolie brushes, which is their Hairline brushes, and that's a 2-pack. And you also get a booklet with some information. Now this is what that looks like. And I'm going to open it up, and here are the colors. Now guys, it looks light because it's meant to mimic the natural shade of a scalp. You should be able to create a color that's natural looking for you. That second color is vanilla, and the first one is cream that I applied. It has a nice texture to it, guys, and it dries down nicely. This color here is called Peach. The next color is called the Latte. And the last color is called Mocha. So I'm going to apply this to the lace of my wig, guys. So I'm just taking a paper towel just to put on the underside of the hair so that I can see my lace better. So right now I'm just using the Latte. I'm blending that into the part line. I'm going to start creating my illusion from the underside of my wig. And as you can see, my wig has already been tinted a little bit with some powder. Now I'm just applying the Illusion Kit cream over top of that. And I'm just blending it down really well. So right now I'm trying to create a natural looking part line. And I'm just applying a little bit of Mocha down the part, and I'm blending it down. I'm also going to use the spoolie brush to brush away any product that gets on the hair. And I'm using a little at a time, guys. A little goes a long way, so you want to use just a little dab of this and blend it in. And again, I'm using that brush to remove any product that got on my hair. Alright guys, so I'm going to use the Hairline brush that they give you. And guys, if you hear any noise from street noise like crickets or people talking, I have my windows open. It's kind of nice today in New York City, so I wanted some of the cooler air to come through, but with that, you have to take the outside sounds. And with that said, there goes a comb. Okay, so I'm going to start with this. I'm going to take this color right here. This color is called Mocha. And I'm just going to go right back into the part area and just tap that in. I'm going to lightly tap it in. Lightly tap that in. And I'm just going to work the brush right up the part line. And I'm just picking up a little bit, guys. I'm literally just tapping the brush onto the cream product. I'm not swooping it up. I'm just literally just tapping it onto the cream product. I think it's a little bit thicker than concealer might be, or at least the ones that I use anyway. Really nice. And what I like to do is once I get to the edge of my lace, I like to kind of take my product and just bring it right down, right to my natural scalp, my natural hairline. I like to tap it right there. That's where I like to do it. And then I'll just go back and then I'll blend this in. And I'm going to blend this. I'm going to blend it in with the brush. I like the fact that they give you a few brushes, because me, I would misplace the brushes. You get any of the product onto the hair, just kind of hold your hair back a little bit like this with your fingers, and then just take the spoolie brush and just kind of remove it like that. And so I'm just going to do that. I think I do see some of the product there. I think the key to this for me is you have to use a little at a time. You have to use a little at a time. You can't use a lot. I think you just get a big buildup of product, because you still want your lace to look like it's, you know, it's still lace, of course. You want to, you know, discard the holes and everything that the lace has. I think it's kind of doing that a little bit. This wig is really a nice wig anyway. It's one of those natural hairline wigs. So along with this product, I mean, wow, I really do like the way that looks. So guys, that's it for now. This is just a quick video just to let you know about the Scalp Illusion Kit. But as it stands now, guys, I do like the effect that it gave. I like what I achieved. So, you know, thumbs up for that. But I will bring you more information as time goes by about the Scalp Illusion Kit. And I want to thank the Milano company for sending me this kit. This is a really nice kit. I do appreciate it. Guys, the Milano company is really good to your girl. And I do appreciate them, and I appreciate them reaching out to me and sending me products, the new things that come through. This is really cool, and I really do like this. But let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, and I want to thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.